Hey class, this is Brother Aton. I'm coming to you from Edmonds, where I usually do my crabbing. I'm here because I want to show you how to get a crab, because some of you actually won't go crabbing, but you can go down to QFC, you can go down to Pice Place Market, and you can get your crab. So my lesson today, I'm going to teach you guys how to get it from the boat, in my case the kayak, to the broiler, and then that'll be the first lesson. The second lesson I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get it from the broiler onto your breakfast table. So there's two steps. When I'm done, I'll give you a quick quiz to make sure that you guys have got it. I'm also going to give you some bibliography, my bibliography of where I got my information, my other links, and then I'll even maybe throw in some videos from real crabbers on how to do it, how they do it. So there you have it. Those are going to be my lessons. I'll put them back to back, and that will help you give you a blueprint on how one way that you could do it. Hey, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you actually get to do some crabbing. And if not, I hope at least you get to broil it at some point. Take care.